Hey, welcome to Radiance by Kimberly. I'm Kimberly Thibodeaux. On this channel, we are going to be talking about all things radiant. Makeup, lots of makeup, skincare, health, all the cool things that go with being radiant. And what do I mean by radiant? Why did I choose the name Radiance? Well, radiant stands for glowing. It stands for glittering. It stands for luminous. Don't we all want to be luminous inside and out? And that's what I want for you, especially for my over 50 friends, because we're going to be talking about you quite a bit. I really want you to feel completely welcome. This channel is for you. And what makes me an expert? Well, first of all, I am 58 years old, never had anything done. Not that there's anything wrong with that, because I never say never, but and I have been in the entertainment business for over 30 years. I've done modeling, TV commercials, infomercials, TV and movie background. So I've had my makeup done by the best, and I've tried to learn too. Plus, I just loved makeup all my life since I was a little girl. My mother loved makeup as well, so I come by it honestly. So here's what I want for you. I want you to claim your confidence, claim your beauty, claim your health, claim what's yours, claim your radiance. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a trick, because we're going to be talking about lots of fun things and I'd hate for you to miss out. So again, subscribe, hit the bell, and come on back and see me here at Radiance by Kimberly.